मौसम कहाँ रूठा है भाई, मौसम तो बहुत ही अच्छा है। आज दिन बहुत सुहाना है क्योंकि रेडियो जिंदगी में टेक चाय जो चल रहा है, एवरी ट्यूसडे 3:30 PM को आता है ये अनोखा शो टेक चाय विद डॉक्टर सैम, विच इज ऑल अबाउट हेल्पिंग यू ऑल द टेकीज आउट देयर, स्पेशली इफ you've been part of an unfortunate workforce reduction or you are finding it difficult to find your footing for the first time in the tech industry. Tech Chai gives you all that you need. हमारे साथ हमेशा जुड़ते हैं डॉक्टर सैम, उन्हीं का शो है। He is the founder and president of Strategism.Inc. अब Strategism.Inc. क्या है अगर आप मुझसे पूछे, then I simply tell you that it is a techie's best friend because जो भी knowledge, references, training, courses, placement के लिए referrals इत्यादि आपको मिलते हैं स्ट्रैटेजिज्म में, वो आपको कहीं पे नहीं मिलेगा। द कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर इज 4083727275 इफ यू वांट टू ईमेल देम। द ईमेल एड्रेस इज सिंपली training@strategisminc.com। और भी ज्यादा जानकारी के लिए यू कैन ऑलवेज गो टू देयर वेबसाइट व्हिच इज www.strategisminc.com। विद दैट, हेलो एंड वेलकम डॉक्टर सैम, हाउ आर यू डूइंग दिस फाइन आफ्टरनून?
आई एम डूइंग ग्रेट रोशनी, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर हैविंग मी। जहां भी आप जाते हो प्रकाश अपने आप खींचा चला आता है, ऐसा क्यों है?
ये प्रकाश कौन है?
या बहुत ही अच्छा दिन है। आपने कहा था मौसम बदला हुआ है, क्या कहा था?
मौसम बिल्कुल रूठा नहीं है क्योंकि
हाँ।
आज तो अच्छा मौसम है बिकॉज यू नो वी हैव
सैयारा
क्या बात है, उधर जैकेट पहन के गाना रॉकस्टार फील कर रहा है। डू यू नो दैट अरिजीत सिंह हैज अनाउंस्ड दैट ही इज रिटायरिंग
या 50 मिलियन कमा लिए 38 साल की उम्र में, और क्या चाहिए?
हाँ, दैट्स ट्रू।
मेरे को आप 38 की उम्र में 50 मिलियन देते, मैं उसको बिलियन पहुंचा देता ऐसे ही।
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल, मतलब वो रिटायर कर रहे हैं और आप एंटर कर रहे हैं अपने गाने के साथ। मैं यही कहना चाहती हूँ।
जीवन तो एक एहसास है, जीवन को जीते रहो, सीखते रहो, आगे बढ़ते रहो।
That's true. But Arijit is phenomenal, and if he's retiring from playback, it's okay. He'll still continue to make music, and that's what is more important, right? And he's
मेरी स्टोरी ये है कि 4 साल बाद he'll be back। 4 साल बाद में क्या होता है, जो आप वीवीआईपी रहते हैं ना, सेलिब्रिटी, और आपको जब वो नहीं मिलता तो आप हल्के हल्के तो कहते हो नहीं, इट्स ओके, इट्स नाइस।
But not Arijit Singh because he was never about that. If you've ever seen his live show, he's always so withdrawn. वो आता है, गाना गाता है खुद से, और ये जब जो सारे अभी लाइव सिंगर्स जो है वो मेडली करते हैं all of that. Arijit started all of that. वो चुपचाप बैठ के पियानो में, गिटार में गा के चला जाता है. He never gives interviews. It is so hard to get an interview for Arijit Singh. Have you noticed? He hates it. मैंने उसकी बंगाली में भी इंटरव्यू देखे and all of that, and वो एक रिपोर्टर थी जो पूछ रही थी उनसे कि क्यों तुम इंटरव्यू नहीं देना चाहते? मतलब मैं क्यों दूं आपको इंटरव्यू, मुझे अगर थोड़ा सा भी फ्री टाइम मिलेगा मैं गाना गाऊंगा जो मुझे खुशी देती है, मैं वो चीजें करूंगा। एनीवे, इनफ अबाउट अरिजीत, नाउ अबाउट डॉक्टर सैम। डॉक्टर सैम, आज तो स्टूडियो में 4 चांद लग गए बिकॉज 2 बहुत ही महारथी आए हैं, इंपॉर्टेंट गेस्ट, योर गेस्ट। व्हाई डोंट यू डू द ऑनर्स ऑफ इंट्रोड्यूसिंग संजय एंड निहारिका?
Awesome, fantastic. So, friends, we are really, really honored and humbled to have the lady. I'll start with her, Niharika Srivastava, and the gentleman, Sanjay Srivastava, the one and only in the Bay Area, the experts on AI governance.
तो सक्सेना से श्रीवास्तव कब बन गए?
नहीं, मैंने एक्चुअली शादी के बाद मैंने बदल दिया।
अच्छा, गुड।
And interestingly, I'm from the same clan.
अच्छा, so all of you are like Marwadis.
No, oh my God, Kayast. Marwadis are like the money makers with no heart. Kayast are the intellectual fabric of India.
I am also Kayast.
Really?
बंगाली का।
Bengali Kayast.
Oh, so because if you see any IS officer or any sophisticated, learned guy, educated guy, he or she, might be a Kayast. Of course, not always, but might be. And that's what they bring to the table today.
Amazing.
And that's why we selected them as our top speaker for today.
Techie of the week.
Techie of the week, guest of the week, because they bring tremendous knowledge and experience to this platform, having worked in the technology industry for last 10, 20 years, more than 2 decades. I actually started
3
working...
decades now.
3 decades. क्या बात है, क्या बात है।
And I remember my old days with them. I went to their place and they were a part of UST Global and doing amazing jobs there and heading the organization and driving the business. So that's what they bring to the table, and I would like Sanjay and Niharika, to speak a few words, and then we get into our rigmarole, our exciting and fantastic questions that we have prepared for them.
Absolutely. So Sanjay and Niharika, either one of you can start first, but why don't you tell our listeners, what are you passionate about in the tech field? What is it that drives you, and where did it all start, perhaps?
तो ऐसा है कि जैसे एआई आया मार्केट में, so people have started building AI applications.
जी.
But what are the problems? Hallucinations. What are the problem?
course.
Bias. For example, once what happened in a hospital, a black person was denied treatment because
Of the gender.
because of the,
Race.
because of the race. So what happened? The system AI system learned that if you spend more money, care has to be given to you because white were giving more money, and then he was given less money. So AI systems are very different from the traditional software. Traditional software is if then do this, there is a code logic. If anything wrong, you can go debug and fix it. But in AI, not only that code, but the data that you input to it, the training data, that also decides the response.
It's learning and
So if
looking at
it
other
learns
things.
wrong things, so wrong decision.
I think like a couple of days ago, Eightfold had the same problem, and Eightfold actually got sued by the government because they were picking up social security numbers for prospective employees and discriminating on the basis of multiple factors there. So you're not supposed to do that, but like you said, the training model was trained on that data, and they were looking at the credit score of the prospective individuals.
Yeah, I mean, it's really a catch-22, right? But on one hand, we have, so many advantages. Like, मैं किसी के साथ बात कर रही थी उस दिन, if you ever try chatting with ChatGPT, पूरे इंसानों की तरह बात करता है. आपको लगता है, I was talking to another friend, this was around when we were like in our dating phase and all of that. Then everybody would fall short, especially guys. Every guy would fall short because ChatGPT always has the right answers, makes you feel better, makes you feel good about yourself, and it's really like talking to a human. And why would you talk to a human when this bot is giving you such perfect answers, motivation, encouragement? But on the other hand, I heard of a case where somebody was trying to take their own life, and it actually ended up encouraging them instead of actively discouraging.
Yeah.
So it's like really like living on the edge, जिसको बोलते हैं right now.
And that's the thing. Like AI can do amazing things in healthcare, cancer research, and so much can be done. But again, there have to be guardrails. मतलब उसको
Right.
control करना जरूरी है.
बिल्कुल.
जैसे मैं एक और एग्जांपल बताऊंगी कि Amazon में उनका एक हायरिंग एल्गोरिथम था, और उस हायरिंग एल्गोरिथम ने ये लर्न कर लिया कि Amazon recruits male engineers because most of the applications and the recruits were male engineers. और वैसे भी engineers में men ज्यादा होते हैं, उसमें कोई शक नहीं है. पर हुआ क्या कि it started going against the resumes which had women written in it.
Right.
कि अच्छा women softball team की coach head थी तो नहीं, उसको reject कर दिया. So these things which when the AI system learns, it can cause ना individual level पे, group level पे, even societal level पे harm cause हो सकता है.
Yeah.
That's fantastic. And tell us about your training that you do in the AI governance field, and how is that unique, and what really separates it from the rest of the world?
तो इसमें the point is जैसे जब हमने ट्रेनिंग शुरू की तो we kind of thought about in childhood how did we learn. So we learned through Amar Chitrakatha, and we still remember many stories. फिर Chacha Chaudhary, Marvel comics. Then we kind of realized that when we grow up, when we become professionals, then we have to read thick, dry books.
Yeah.
जिसको कभी-कभी पढ़ के it's like we start yawning.
Yeah.
So then we thought, how come we bring the same visual learning to busy professionals,
Yeah.
so that learning for them is easy.
Wow,
Right, and fun.
fantastic.
And you're right, some of those stories, why are they so vivid and why do we still remember them? Because of that visual impact. So that's great that you're doing that.
By the way, मेरी क्लास में आप आओ तो ऐसे ही मिलता सब विजुअल. मैं खाली चित्र बनाता था.
खाली चित्र बनाते थे.
हाँ. बोर्ड के ऊपर. The whole class is only pictures.
Wow.
So actually क्या है कि AI governance is a very new field. So let's see what is governance. लोग बताते हैं कि आपके घर के पास में एक सड़क बनी, फिर उसके बाद केबल कंपनी आई, उसने सड़क को खोद दिया और बाद में उसको पैच अप करके चले गए और सड़क की ऐसी तैसी हो गई. Right? But if there is a governance, then there will be policies and procedures, right? You have to go to the city and you ask for the permission and then plan how will you fix it back. Then only it will be approved. And in AI systems के लिए भी governance is very important.
Yeah.
कि you have to जैसे एक simple सा केस है, एक डॉक्टर जो है वो पेशेंट को देखता है and there is a system like traditional AI system, sorry traditional software, जिसमें 1+1 is always 2, right? इसमें नहीं होता ऐसा AI में. एक एग्जांपल देता हूँ कि अगर सेम अगर तुम प्रॉम्प्ट दे रहे हो चैट जीपीटी को ट्वाइस, एग्जैक्टली सेम वर्ड्स नहीं आते हैं।
हाँ,
नहीं,
मैंने
नहीं।
ट्राई किया, मैंने सेम क्वेश्चन अलग अलग से पूछा, लामा से, जेमिनाई से और ग्रॉक से और चैट जीपीटी से, एंड एवरीबॉडी गिव द डिफरेंट आंसर।
वो तो होगा ही, बट आई थिंक ही इज आल्सो सेइंग कि चैट जीपीटी को ही अगर आप कंसेक्यूटिव टाइम 2 बार दे, वो सेम चीज नहीं देगा।
हाँ, क्योंकि वो सीधे कहीं से डेटाबेस ऐसा नहीं रीड करता है, इट जस्ट गैसेस द न्यू वर्ड, समथिंग कॉल्ड एलएलएम जो होता है।
तो सर ये बताइए, जो एआई है ये सिर्फ टेक फोक्स के लिए है या कोई भी आपकी ट्रेनिंग ले सकता है?
Actually, we have designed it for non-techies, especially those who are very scared of losing job. You know,
Oh,
QA, business analyst, simple product managers. You know, or there are new roles coming up. So these people can pivot their roles. You know, whoever thinks like that. So there'll be many new roles like AI project manager, AI ethics officer, AI governance officer. There'll be 9 kind of different roles. I don't want to tell everything, but there's a huge scope. अभी क्या है कि
You also, Sanjay, sorry to interrupt, because this is relevant. I think many listeners will also have these questions, and I think this might be the actual thing that they're most interested in. That when they want to pivot, so there's AI governance, but also is there like like AI project managers, like you said, or AI engineering managers? वो भी है. Why don't you go a little bit into depth on that? Like
Yeah.
roles क्या है, or what is the extra that they will learn? Because I really think this question is at the top of mind for many people who want to pivot, including me. Yeah.
And is AI really creating jobs? And our listeners want to know about that. What are the jobs in the AI field, and where you can help our listeners to equip themselves?
So we always hear that AI is taking away jobs.
Yeah.
And there is no doubt about it that AI is really taking away junior level jobs.
Correct.
But AI is also creating many jobs because you build AI systems. To build AI systems, yes, you need engineers, but then you need other people also, like project managers who will manage AI projects. Then AI product managers who are going to talk to business, who are going to see if this AI system is going to help. And sometimes, not having deep technical knowledge helps because then you can understand business problems well. We need people who can talk to the legal team. We need people who can talk to business and who can talk to engineers. So that's where this governance role plays. Ki the AI systems which we are building, are they ethical or not? Are they going to create any problems? So that's where we have many people with non-technical skills also diving in, coming
Wow,
in. This.
that's amazing. That's really fantastic. And you talk about AI governance and responsible AI. I mean, what's really the meaning of that, and how does it really impact and common listeners?
So the simple example which we gave was that AI system rejecting the resumes of women engineers.
Correct.
Right? So these things should not happen in production. Right? This is going to cause like group issues, all women engineers getting rejected. क्योंकि थे ही नहीं. तो ये सारी problems we have to prevent.
So that's what I was going to say. ये एकमात्र प्रिवेंशन से ही हो सकता है कि ये जो आप बोल रहे थे कि QA engineers, तो अगर this would have been the ideal way, I'm thinking, and correct me if I'm wrong, the ideal way to QA this would be to anticipate that what are such societal impacts that this can have, and then give such resumes, diverse resumes, a lot of them, and see whether it is showing any sign of bias or not, ताकि वो पहले से ही eliminate हो सके.
बिल्कुल
है ना?
बिल्कुल. और एक और चीज जैसे संजय ने बोली कि यू मे हैव द राइट थिंग राइट नाउ. हो सकता है कि एआई सिस्टम इज वर्किंग परफेक्ट, लेकिन व्हाट इफ 3 months from now, because our data around the world has biases, and then AI system will start learning those biases.
yeah.
So we have to keep doing continuous monitoring.
जितना गलत काम किया है इंसान ने, सब
वो सब AI भी सीख लेगा. और उसको monitor करना
एआई
जरूरी
में
है.
क्या होता है कि न्यूरल नेटवर्क होता है. उसमें क्या होता है कि जैसे मैंने एक बार, अगर मैंने 100 लोगों को इंटरव्यू किया और उनमें से 90 मैंने सेलेक्ट किए, और उनमें से 90% जो हैं वो मैन थे. मैंने सिर्फ यही देखा कौन कितना केपेबल है, बट वो न्यूरल नेटवर्क जो है, बट इट इज लर्निंग कि वो और भी चीजें देख रहा है कि अरे वो लड़की थी. ऐसा इसलिए फिर वो बायस शुरू हो जाते हैं. उसने ऐसे किया, इंजीनियर जो मैं रिक्रूट कर रहा हूँ मींस बॉयज ओनली. तो ये बहुत बड़ी
तो
प्रॉब्लम है.
मतलब basically
Prediction.
it's a double whammy, because there is it's going to learn the biases of human beings also. Plus, जो bias हमने eliminate करना सीखा है consciously, right? So now when I know, I'm consciously eliminating some biases that may have developed due to my upbringing, due to my environment. But it's not, AI is not being able to eliminate that. That's what you're saying.
Right.
So now there are two things. It's also learning biases, but also not being able to consciously eliminate them yet. But
Yeah.
hopefully, maybe with some fine tuning, we will incrementally make progress. But then new biases will keep coming in, right?
Right.
And then again, ये fine tune चलता ही रहेगा, I think, forever.
फाइन ट्यून चलता रहेगा और एक
Yeah.
और बहुत बड़ी बात चल जाएगी, ह्यूमन इन द लूप. ह्यूमन ओवरसाइट होना जरूरी है.
Yeah, so I think that I hear that a lot, that anytime the AI system is working on something, there should be human involvement and human in the loop, and
Yeah.
they should oversee at least at the end before that goes in production that, hey, does it really mean what we are looking for, and is it really compliant, and does it meet the governance issues and legality? For example, you cannot discriminate on the basis of sex or age or ethnicity.
Yeah, absolutely. तो ये जो आपकी जो courses है, ये लेने के लिए training courses, is there like a minimum eligibility criteria, like?
No, my son who is just passed out from college, he's also doing AIGP because there is going to be huge demand in the world. Every company is supposed to have an AIGP, AI governance professional. So because
Every company or every AI team? Every AI
every company, if they are implementing AI software, and EU AI Act is coming in October, I think August, right?
August 2nd.
After that, it will be mandated that you have to be compliant to this. Then US also has its own rules. So how will that be possible if there are not enough people? So this is wonderful golden opportunity. जो मेरे listeners से मैं उनको बोलना चाहूँगा कि AIGP आप किसी भी तरह जल्दी कर लें.
Awesome, awesome. And then how will my listeners learn about your trainings? Like, which website they should go to? Can you shed
Yeah.
some light on that?
Yeah, हमारी वेबसाइट है cyber CYBER EDX.
cyberedx.com.
Cyberedx.com. Cool. Awesome. And Dr. Sam, do you want to shed more light on this area?
Yeah, I mean, see, I teach this course on certified professional in managing AI projects, and there also it is a similar feeling and thinking that a lot of emphasis is on governance and risk and compliance. The field that used to be GRC, right? Governance, risk, and compliance is kind of dying, and it is going to be added with AI. This is what I feel. I mean, these are my 2 cents, that AI, GRC, and I see that convergence in what Sanjay and Niharika are doing, and I see that as a great opportunity, from my perspective. But my question is that, do you think there's sufficient demand for this AI governance right now in the market?
Actually, there is demand, and ये demand पहली बात है कहाँ से आ रही है? तो demand इसलिए आ रही है because these issues are happening. We talked about some biases, some issues which is happening. And we'll also share the Air Canada story, that in Air Canada there was a user, उसने ये बोला, he was talking with the agent and said कि I'm going for a bereavement flight, I have to go, can you give me some discount? And the agent offered the discount.
AI agent.
The AI agent offered the discount, but that's was not the case. The company did not. So things like that, where the AI agent hallucinated, gave some information which was not right.
तो उसको लगा कि bereavement leave तो होता ही है, bereavement discount क्यों नहीं होगा?
हाँ, उसने कहा मेरी जेब से थोड़ा पैसे जा रहे हैं, पैसे तो कंपनी देगी.
इतना उसने सोचा bereavement ने सोचा, bereavement को correlate किया ना कि it's something that you empathize with.
Yeah.
So sympathy के चलते उसने दे दिया. वैसे तो उसका कर्मा अच्छा हुआ.
कंपनी का क्या गया हुआ? एक बंदे की $500,000 चले गए, क्या हुआ, राइट?
Zillow.com ने भी ऐसे AI सिस्टम इम्प्लीमेंट किया और उसके थ्रू वो they started selling. So market went up. The prices of the houses were very high and they were not selling. So they ended up losing about $250 million.
Wow.
Yeah. There was also
And
this
the
talk,
position.
right? There's some car was for $70,000, and this guy he worked with the chat bot and bought it for like $1.
Oh, Dr. Sam, we need to know who this guy is. Man, I need him.
Yeah,
You do that.
this is really fantastic.
तो ये जो wow, I mean, so there's also going to be whole जैसे hackers, were like a thing to look out for.
Yeah.
Now we'll have hackers who know how to hack the agent.
Yeah.
So be new kind of hackers also in the market.
Yeah, they are now AI hackers
AI
in the
hackers.
market. Yeah.
नाइस इंटरेस्टिंग तो एक क्वेश्चन पूछूंगी कंट्रोवर्शियल है कंट्रोवर्शियल नहीं है इतना बट ये जो AIGP करके जो लोग उनको जॉब्स मिलेंगे व्हाट काइंड ऑफ सैलरी यू नो आर दे लुकिंग एट इज इट गुड मीडियम एवरेज क्या लगता है आपको
Yeah.
So the website of IAPP, this is an organization that offers this. They say that 40% raise of your current salary.
40% raise
Did you say IAPP? Can you tell us what is that?
It's International Association of Privacy Professionals,
Okay.
and they offer this certification AIGP, which is AI Governance Professional. और उसके लिए आपको कोई एक्सपीरियंस की जरूरत नहीं है. ऐसा नहीं है कि आपको प्रोफेशनल एक्सपीरियंस हो. एनीबडी कैन टेक इट और बेस्ड ऑन दैट दे विल गेट एंट्री एट डिफरेंट लेवल्स. मतलब जो अभी जिस नया कॉलेज से आए ही में जस्ट ज्वाइन एज एन इंटर्न शी और ही and somebody else can join as a risk manager who has more experience
Right,
and
right.
then head of governance based upon the
So a lot of
experience.
people are losing jobs right now वैली में और ये बड़ा इशू है. मेरे पास खुद इस वक्त 2-3 लोग हैं जो कि GRC में हैं and for example Visa laid off people big time like thousands of them and they have this GRC background. So at a higher scale, you know, can you share with our audience that how can they get your training and what is this new thing, digital avatar, and what all you can do and what message you want to leave for our listeners?
So let's talk about the training they can take from, they can go to cyberedx.com. Digital avatar is another thing that we were talking about, that you know you can talk to somebody. So if I have my digital avatar, that means somebody clicks on phone and then suddenly I appear. And then you ask me any question, I know everything. Whatever I am trained
Audio
at.
and video both?
Audio and video both. So I have created for Dr.
Wow.
Jafra actually one like that.
Are you going to create that one for me? That's a promise?
Yes,
Definitely.
promise. so now, let's see. What happens? This is your employee now. It can speak 175 languages.
Oh my God.
There are millions you can create, like million people can
I
talk
want
at a
that
time.
desperately. I always wonder, you know, I should have some lady and I should hire her, but I found one in India, then one in Philippines, and I'm still struggling with that.
Yeah,
why lady why can't it be a man
But normally in that
I'm just trying to go to Niharika's question
No, actually,
Our bias is-
Because-
women are good managers.
yeah,
customer
that's-
service is a lot of lady work,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
People
Personality,
they are sweet and
approachable,
soft spoken
amicable.
and they understand the other person's point of view. I myself am not a good listener. So if somebody tells me something, even before they complete the sentence, I start speaking. So that is
yeah,
a
but that is
weakness.
because you're very enthu about. I've seen that in you, but I think that's because you're very enthu in helping.
Yeah.
अरे इसको problem हो रहा है मैं solve कर देता हूँ. I'm also like that. yeah.
अच्छा मैं एक बात और ऐड करना चाह रहा था कि वो डिजिटल एवतार है वो वीडियो वो इन लोगों के लिए काफी हेल्पफुल है. जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल रियल्टर हैं तो उनका किसी मतलब somebody wants to buy, then initial question answers are done itself, right? So it saves time. Tax consultants हैं, you know, they can charge, you talk to me by this avatar, digital avatar.
Done. तो मेरा भी बना दो बॉस.
हम तो बना देते हैं.
अच्छा, on that
वहाँ पे I'll
promise,
put your logo.
on that promissory note that Sanjay will be creating Dr. Sam's digital avatar. We really have only 1 minute left. So any parting messages? I do think Sanjay and Niharika, this topic is so interesting that you have to come back.
Yeah.
But Dr. Sam, please take the next 30 seconds to summarize any takeaways for
I
our
mean,
listeners.
I'm really excited to see both of them here and talk about this artificial intelligence governance program and or governance professional from their company CyberDex, and there's an international agency IAPP that offers that, and they can really help. They have a group going on right now. 15 people are taking that course, so you can sign up for that and benefit in your career, especially if you got laid off or if you have a fear of losing your job. This is your opportunity, friends, and we are here for the community to always help you. And do you want to say any last word?
I'll just say that AI is here. Just ride the wave.
Yes,
awesome.
Ride the
I
wave.
think that's
Yes.
perfect to end the show on. That was the perfect note. Thank you so much, Niharika. Thank you so much, Sanjay. Thank you so much, Dr. Sam. See you, listeners, once again
Jee ja.
next Tuesday, 3:30 p.m. Till then, stay tuned to Radio Sindagi 1550 AM.
Jee ja.